Transformo is walking down the street when he notices an old woman trying to cross the street.
Oh dear, the street is so busy. Looks like someone needs my help.
A speeding car approaches the old woman. Transformo transforms quickly into Superman. Transformo flies quickly and picks up the old woman, moving her to safety.
Got you.
Thank you, there, you're my superhero.
Not just the speeding car again. That's not ordinary driver. Time for some action. He flies after the speeding car, which is driven by the bank robbers, and stops it.
Oh no, it's a superhero.
Police officer arrives as Transformo waits with the stopped car.
Damn, superhero. We've been after these robbers for a long time.
Happy to help. Keeping the city safe, it's what I do. Transformo comes over with the police officer.
Again, you're a true hero.
Always here to help. Stay safe.